Now we'll go for our next part in the practice set number 54. Using the average formula, you want to find out their average. You already seen about the first question how to do it. Now I am telling about the second question. See, in your textbook they are given the second question. During the annual function of the school, a women's self-help group had set up a snack stall. Their sale every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847 and rupees 970 respectively they are given. And what was the average hourly sale they asked. See, here you want to find out there what was the average hourly sale you want to find out, and they are given the sale of every hour amount they are given, and that will be the total they are given here. Hour will be the 6 hour sale they are given. And how to find out their average? First you write down the formula for average, that is a total of a cell of every hour upon number of hour. See, total of a cell of every hour upon number of hour you want to do it. Then you add all this 6 hour amount, that 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 980 847 plus 970 upon 6, that is 6 hour they are given here. Then here when you add this amount we'll get a 5352 upon 6. If you do this division we'll get a rupees 892, that is a average of the hourly sale will get, that is the average of the hourly sale will get. Then this is about the second question they are given. And now we'll go for our third question. See, in the third question they ask the annual rainfall in the Vidarbha in a 5 year is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 year? 900 millimeter, 650 millimeter, 450 millimeter, 733 millimeter, 400 millimeter. See, here you want to find out the average rainfall you want to find out. Then how to find out? Then first you write down the formula for average, that is a total. See, here they are given here whatever they are given. The third example, in the third example you want to find out their average rainfall here. Then what will write? First you write down the formula for that. You add sum of the rainfall of this 5 days 5 year upon total number of year you want to write. Okay, then here see, whatever the rainfall is there, 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400 upon 5. See, you add all these rainfall upon 5 you have to do it. Then their addition I am getting 3133 I am getting, divide by 5, that I am getting 626.6 millimeter, because they are given the rainfall in millimeter. Therefore, average rainfall also will come in a millimeter. Then this is about the third one question, we'll get it. Now in the fourth question, they ask here the farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weight of the sacks are given below in kilogram. What is the average weight of the sacks? Here 49.8 kg, 49.7 kg, 49.5 kg, 49.3 kg, 50 kg, 48.9 kg, 49.2 kg and 48.8 kg. See, here this number they are given in decimal. When you are adding it, you add it properly, you arrange it properly, then we have to add it. Then afterwards you want to find out their average. Then how we'll get the answer? See, first you write down their average formula, that is the average formula is getting total weight of the sacks upon number of sacks. Then you add all these weight. See, you arrange their sum, that 49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8 upon 8. See, they are given here total weight of the 8 sacks. Therefore 8 sacks sum you have to do upon 8, that is their addition I am getting 395.2 will get, divide by 8. If you do this division we'll get a 49.46 kg is the average weight of the sacks, will get it. Then these about the question number that is these all are the 4 questions you are completed from the practice set number 54. They all are related to our average. You understand this average formula, and this is the average common formula is there. For any question you can write this also as a common formula. First you want to write down their average formula. For that one we are having a marks. What is the average formula for that? Sum of all score in a given data upon total number of a score. Okay, here this is a very simple question. In that one, first you have to add, then afterwards you have to do the division. Then like that way you are completed here practice set number 54. And in the next time we'll go for our next part.